Throughout your life, you have been increasing your capacity to think, isn't it? As a child, then as a teenager, then as a youth, then as a married person, then as a grown up person, now coming to satsang for so many years. Your capacity, the filament is gaining more and more strength so that it can give out more and more light or knowledge. So throughout your life, it's a default process, it is there. Recognize that it's not enough that I go through this process. What is happening here in a satsang, what happens? Suddenly that 1 watt filament is suddenly, from at that place itself, its capacity is changed to infinite wattage. If the person is available. And therefore that calmness, that peacefulness, that meditative poise that I see in everyone, even if the eyes are open. You don't need to close your eyes. You're already there. It's probably even more heightened state than sitting on a seat of meditation, where you are continuously maneuvering through the thoughts. In a ZX 300 or a Porsche. It's funny when you start seeing what you do on meditation seat. But here is there maneuvering going on? Sometimes, but not as much as in meditation seat. So having understood this, that this whole world is nothing but a superimposition on the self, and this whole world is nothing but the self, just as the snake is nothing but the rope, the waves are nothing but the water. And because everything is water, the waves continue. If they are there, it's okay. If they are not there, it's okay. It's a phenomena. That phenomena is what? Which appears to be. Therefore, what is that which appears to be? That is the Leela. Don't take it too seriously. But how do you live your life? My cat, my daughter, my son, my husband, my bills, my job. Everything is so serious. One lady used to come on Sunday mornings. She rang me in India. Swamiji, my cat died. I said, good. After that, I never saw her again. It's good. Otherwise, only talking about cat. For the satsang time, she will be quiet. The moment satsang gets over, immediately cat. My cat like this, my cat like that. So when she rang to me in India, she thought maybe she wanted some consolation. Then first I said good, then I said, yeah, now you can give more attention to your mom and your son than the cat. But Swamiji, I said, yes, what else do you want me to say? That is the truth. We don't love people as much as we love the animals. And the son, drug addict. If that much love that son had got, probably he'll be a better person. Would have been a better person. I don't even know if he's alive now because he was in a very bad state. The teacher continues to explain, Tarkikanam cha jiveshau, Tarkikanam cha jiveshau, Vachavetau vidurbudhaha, Vachavetau vidurbudhaha, Lakshyau cha sankhya yogabhyam, Lakshyau cha sankhya yogabhyam, Vedantairaikyatanayoho, Vedantairaikyata. Oh, excuse me. The Jiva, ego, the Ishvara, God, are understood in literal sense by the Nyayikas or logicians, and in implied sense by Sankhya and Yoga, and as their mutual identity by the Vedantins. Now, what I just explained is that the logicians, these are the schools of thought in India. They are the Nyayikas, they are the logicians, they are the then the second are the yogis, and the third are the Sankhyas, Sankhya philosophy, Yoga philosophy, Nyaya philosophy, and then Mimamsa. Mimamsa is the Vedanta, and that is the Vedanta philosophy. The Nyaya means logic, means law, and it's all the play of words. And each one is trying to prove through words how his viewpoint is more correct. But in those words they get lost, giving one person gives an argument, another one crosses that argument and proves his argument is correct, then the other one again cancels his argument and proves his is correct, and this way goes on. But the truth is never caught. They are busy arguing, busy logicalizing, because they think logic can give them truth. Logic cannot give them truth, because logic can be only through words. Words cannot reach there. Simple. No more justification is required. Just one line. Vedanta means going beyond word. Logic is only through words. Sankhya philosophy, like we are doing in Bhagavad, or we are doing Patanjal, that is also like Sankhya. In Sankhya philosophy, the Jiva is taken and the Ishvara is taken, but their identity is not brought about. According to Sankhya philosophy, the Jiva, the consciousness is one per person. So there is one consciousness here, there is one consciousness there is one consciousness there. It seems like that. It seems like that. That seeming reality is taken to be the truth. So if I realize, then I have realized and others have not realized. If you realize, you have realized and others have not realized. It is not possible that all of the people can be realized at the same time from their point. Only you have to work hard, you have to change yourself, you have to think in the majority of the Vedanta is Sankhya. 99% is Sankhya philosophy. That 1% is where we do the de-superimposition, what we just did in the previous verse, the snake and the rope. That whole explanation that is given in the Sankhya about the Jiva and the Ishvara, these two, the micro and the macro, they are just imaginations on that one truth. That is brought about by the Vedanta. And also the Vedanta says that the truth is only one. There cannot be two. So if truth is one, then what is the consequence of that truth? That truth is expressing equally, abundantly, continuously, for past, present and future don't exist for that truth, in everyone, all the time, whether you know it or you don't know it. But it is all the time.
So is Advaita non-duality in Vedanta?
Same. Advaita and Vedanta are synonyms. Just like water is abundantly, continuously, permanently available in all the waves, isn't it? If the one wave realizes, I have realized, and says, hey, all of you are still fools, stupid fools, I have realized, you are not. Is it true? They are also water. Wave cannot express without water.
When you realized, what is the difference between you and me?
Nothing.
You go away, you realized, and
Where?
where you go?
There is no going and coming.
Yeah.
There is no going and